Councillor, we were watching entertaining football match, and we saw a successful final here in Naturena. Just tell us about your involvement in this community as a council.
No, thanks, man. Number one, we must appreciate when the youth is organizer themselves, organize such a thing, because this thing was organized by a youth committee from Naturena. So they just invited us to say, please assist us where you can, Councillor. So it's their second time by organizing this thing. So we are here to assist them and make sure with everything about organizer we give immoral and whatever support we can offer to them, resources. So we are just here to support them as council. So it's also important that we invite other stakeholders to make sure what this thing is right now, it grows from where it is right now. But we are happy with whatever has happened now. Yes.
What I'm happy about, I saw youngsters under 14, they also play today as curtain raisers for finals. We are going to see more tournaments of this caliber being hosted here in Naturena.
No. What I've said to the committee is that we need to invest more in young stars. What I've seen today was very exciting. With such development and it's something that we need to invest on. But equally, we must invite our organizers to bring in young women to also participate in such tournament. We have agreed, and we just need to find on that. And
yes. And also, we saw Telkom. They were on board. They were doing an amazing job by sponsoring this tournament. What would you say to them? Because if they were not, I would say it was not going to be the tournament, but they've made it possible.
No, let us appreciate the tournament and thank them for participating, especially Umpo from Telkom, because he's been hands-on in terms of supporting this tournament. Number one, they've provided us with a lot of things, number one. And two, at least have offered us now in network, connectivity within this area, and have equally given us in savings about 10 jobs as within this community from Telkom. So at least we're looking at a future with Telkom, and they're bringing also a fiber within the area. So we highly appreciate from Telkom, and we hope with Telkom the Open Safe they can continue working with this community as a Naturena and moving throughout the region. Thank you.
Lastly, before I can let you go, Councillor, what would you say to the winners? Words of encouragement.
No, I'm just saying the winners, Zu11 must pelele. Bagabe short, bagabe 50. Bagazi 11 must pelele. I'm just happy with sports. Sports unite communities and they also bring in discipline within men. And so we're just saying, let's continue to encourage them, our men and women and young ones, to say, with sports, there's no other community can be divided. We make sure we can fight social ills to sports. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Councillor, and all the best.
Zu11 must play.
You heard when we were talking to the Councillor, he is saying Masipelele Zu11. I don't know what he says when he says Masipelele Z11. It was nice here in Naturena in this prestigious tournament. See ya when you see us on Champions Circuit.